What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I just got my Galaxy S9 delivered and I'm gonna have a little unboxing for you right now. So obviously you gotta take the sleeve off. There's a little security thing here, so make sure that you're the first one to open it. It's box after box, I guess. Alright. What's in here? The little tool that you need to get to the SD slot or your SIM card. And of course all the different things that you normally get with a brand new phone. Your welcome start guide, how to transfer, what's important. Very simple for Samsung to Samsung. I'll be doing that later on. Let's put that over here. And there it is. There's the phone. Let's try to get to it. Now this is just a regular Galaxy S9. This is not the bigger model. Gotta say, it feels pretty good in my hand. Let's see what else is in here. That, of course, is my T-Mobile stuff. And this, of course, is the transfer tool, so you can transfer from one Samsung to another or whatever. And in here, what do we have? Very cool, AKG headphones. These are great headphones, you gotta try them. And of course, the charging wire. Extra earbuds for the headphones, so you can figure out which one fits your ears the best. And obviously, that's the end right there. That's all of it. Of course, I'm going to have to transfer my stuff from my other Samsung Galaxy phone into this one, and I will be doing that in another video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.